Hi, Jeff Mersace here, and today we're going to talk about what happens when your child turns 18. Now, in addition to all of the other things that are kind of going around, they're an adult, maybe they're going away to college, they're starting to assert their independence, but often where the law just kind of cuts things, it's really cut and dried. You were a minor before, now you're not, and now suddenly all of these things are expected of an adult. But as parents with children, you often realize it's not a quick, clear transition, and often children of yours who are not still children end up needing a little bit of help. But there are some legal requirements in place. One of the biggest things, I get calls from my clients, they're all very upset because they went down to their pediatrician's office to get medical records for their child because they need to send it on to the school they're going to in the fall. And well, now suddenly the doctor that they've been seeing for 18 years is refusing to give the medical records. That all has to do with HIPAA requirements. And it's because there's medical privacy for an 18-year-old. They could have turned 18 yesterday, but now there are all of these other requirements on the medical office to not just simply provide that information. Another thing is you can't simply sign tax returns for your child if they're 18. If their cell phone is missing and they need it turned off, or a credit card needs to be turned off, you can't just call and say, oh, cancel this, because it belongs to your child. So a lot of times people kind of forget, because it's their children and this is the way they've been doing things, that there is that dividing line. So what are the solutions? At a minimum, having a financial power of attorney can allow you to handle financial transactions, sign tax returns, turn off services and things like that, get financial information for your child. And probably even more of an immediate potential thing in an emergency is having a healthcare power of attorney allows you to make those healthcare decisions for your child if they're unconscious and can't make them themselves. And it's just, again, for that convenience, getting medical records, getting medical information, and providing it to the right people. So I often encourage my clients, look, your child might be 18 and technically it's estate planning. They don't have an estate. They're still really young. But as a legal adult, they do have the ability to make certain decisions for themselves, keep things private. If they want you to be involved in that stuff, you really need the power of attorney documents for them in order to do it. So if you do have any questions, we have a very friendly and helpful staff. Go ahead and give us a call, 919-844-7993, and we'd be happy to help. Thanks and have a great day.